on, Tristan.
Let me see. I got this. Okay, guys, this is our
Hope it works.
Our bottles exploding thingy majiggers, and they explode. That's Sebastian. This is me. My name's Tristan, and this is the bottles. It's about to explode.
Crap! Oh no! Oh no!
That one's tipping. Oh my God! There's one more.
Oh,
there goes Sebastian.
I think this is a dud.
No, mine's still going. Here it goes. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's scaring me. Oh, here's gonna blow up. Holy shit! That was hella loud.
Alright, let's get these out of here.
Sebastian's. Oh my God.
I'm afraid to touch it.
Grab the cat. Ah, you got it on me, it's burning.
Sorry.
These things are hella hot. Hella hot right now. Hella hot. That's our explosion. Oh my God, that was awesome.